super excited. I'm on a day trip to Naples. This trip today is all about eating, and I'm here on a tour with Casa Mia. We are right outside the train station, and we're going to one of the best pastry places in Naples.
I can smell it. Very unique.
This is Attanasio, one of the most famous, beloved places for getting pastries in Naples.
Naples is pretty overwhelming for the first time that you come here. My family, half of them are from here, so I feel very much at home. So we want to show you why we love Naples. Through food, through Neapolitan culture, what it's meant to us. It's a city of art, of poetry, and the sea, and the food, and the wine, and so it's not a city to be afraid of. It's a city to explore and peel away the layers, just like...
It doesn't bother you that I bit into it?
No, look at those layers, look at that ricotta, oh my god, it's so fresh.
Orange blossom and cinnamon, the combination is just like the Middle East. Bar Mexico's signature coffee called Harrow. It's made of 10 different coffee beans from 10 different countries, giving it a very, very smooth taste, caramel-like. You don't need sugar. Delicatessen, salumeria, called Monti Lattari. It's a family-run business. The majority of the places that we see are family-run. Because they get really busy, so when you
Oh my gosh, I wish I could transport the smell in here. What we have here is
Deliciousness.
deliciousness
In the form of cheese.
in the form of fresh, stretched, curd, or pulled cheese.
Okay.
That means
I appreciate that you also dress like the cheese.
I'm always dressed like cheese. In the center. This whiter product is mozzarella di bufala.
Yeah.
This is what it's called provola affumicata, but it's not provolone. It is mozzarella made with cow's milk and smoked with wet hay. This is fior di latte. Fior di latte, you have to really, sometimes you see people stretching across the room. The provola is halfway between that. Provola is, the name comes from prova, from the test.
Right.
It's the test to see if the cheese is good, if the milk is good.
Seaweed.
Okay, fried seaweed, here we go. So it's basically fried dough with seaweed in it. So it's salty. It's like, if you love salty, you love fried. Who doesn't love fried? So this is what it looks like. Like, it's kind of puffy and doughy. And just give us a little idea of what this food tour is about.
Well, this is a food tour that starts in Rome and takes a train into Naples, 1 hour, then tasting classic, iconic Neapolitan delights.
It's been so good so far, and we're only halfway through the day. And I cannot recommend doing this tour with these ladies enough. They speak English, as you can hear, but they're also Italian, and so they really know the culture. This is, oops, just a little kid on the head. This is, Eleonora has a show on TV, AB Cheese. She knows her stuff. and Gina is from Italy as well, so you cannot be in better hands. Here in Piazza
Domenico Maggiore.
and I love this, what is it called?
This is a guglia.
These women characters are all played by Sophia Loren in the height of her beautiful career. She has this beautiful car, and the music in the car is like all this American music of the 60s.
What's the name of the movie again?
Ieri, oggi, domani, yesterday, today, and tomorrow, 1963. The Naples episode, there's one in Rome, which is the famous striptease that you may have seen.
Yeah.
In Oro di Napoli, another episode film shot in Naples. The rich count who has a gambling problem, played by my grandfather himself, directed himself, and a 6-year-old non-actor. He walked onto set one day bringing the coffees, and he was seeing all the catering table, great little sandwiches. He was like, "Pasta per tutti offro io," the 6-year-old, and my grandfather was like, "Vieni qui," and he cast him as the part. Old man. It's really a beautiful, tender little episode, but it was shot on location right here. That's just the architecture, the very...
And that's all that's left, the outside of this church. And
So it was a palace, which was then converted into a church, and all that has been left of their palace is what you see, and these pyramids